Hi everyone, Zoe here. I'm going to talk about all about Shopkins. I have the Shopkin box right here. I just had the Shopkin box. I have all the Shopkins set where they are. The fruit and vegetable is here. The non-food items are all here, like some soap or Molly mops. This is the bakery over here. I just shoved all the season 1s and season 2s in the box. The chocolate is a bakery, and over here it's kind of overflowing, but at least I have it. This is the not healthy area, like cheeky chocolate is not healthy or wobbles. And here's the Shopkin Small Mart. I'll turn it around. Here what it looks like. These doors open and close. I really like this detail. You kind of see this hole there and a hole there, and you see that nub. You can snap it in, and now it can be closed. But I don't do that much. Okay, the Shopkin over here. If you see these out, they go up, 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 and down to slide. I'm going to show you with some Shopkins. I'll use blender here. You can go right in there. It'll go up, 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 and then in, and then down here. You're supposed to have a basket. Got a basket here, and then she's supposed to fall down right in the basket. I'll show you again. Put the basket right there. Over here, goes up, 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 up. And down the slide, and see it lands right in the basket. Or for some extra fun, you get to make like people. I have some people here. Like I got Mary here. I got Angel Bunny and Stripes here, and they can go inside the shop. So they can we can put some Shopkins on shelves, and they can buy some Shopkins. So if they want to buy something, they will need a cash register. So here's a cash register. At the back here, there's some candies. Yummy lollipop. And this actually moves. You pull this back, and then this moves. Oh, you gotta go put it down. It moves. Oops. Sometimes that happens, and then you get one of these squish bags. Keep it moving. Then you move it in here, and then they land right in the basket. See? So I'm going to show you all of the Shopkins all my Shopkins lined up. They do this fast mode. Okay, here is all the not health, the not food, all here lined up. And also comment down below to see which Shopkin is your favorite here. And I'm going to try to put all of these Shopkins all in this Shopkin shop. And if you noticed, some Shopkins like this, some Shopkins can like kind of go on the roof like that. So yeah, and you can put some on the shelves. Kind of hard to put that there, but she's there. And then I could try to put all Shopkins right on the shelves. This shelf kind of like hold like 2 Shopkins. Back. And these Shopkins like hold 4. or you have some extra space, you can move them all together. And then you can kind of squeeze a Shopkin right in there. And then you can keep on going. Okay, so I'm finished here. Bye everyone. See you next time.